Originally, I'm from Central Oregon. I grew up in Sisters, and in the 8th grade, I had a pretty serious injury to my shoulder, and the on-call physician was Dr. Jacobson, and this was over 20 years ago now, and he treated me for my proximal humerus fracture, and so that was kind of my first introduction to orthopedics, and I was amazed by his skill and professionalism and how he was able to get me back functioning and participating in sports at a high level again. Out of all the subspecialties within orthopedics, trauma has the opportunity to have the greatest impact on patients dealing with some pretty significant injuries that can be life-changing, and have the opportunity to really help patients, get back and function at the highest level is something that I enjoy being able to help patients through. My favorite thing about working here so far is the amazing people that I get to work with on a daily basis. And the people here at the center all have the same goal of being able to, provide excellent patient care, which aligns with, my number one goal as well. And it's been a great environment here to practice. My name is McAlister. I'm an orthopedic trauma surgeon here at the center.